Well, good afternoon, Discovery students and parents and staff. I wanted to provide all of you guys with some updates that's come about here recently and share that information with you guys. But as is tradition over these last several weeks, first off, my dad joke of the day. So, what do sprinters eat before a race? Nothing. They fast. I know you guys got a kick out of that one. Today begins Mother's Day weekend. Sunday is Mother's Day, so students, make sure that you tell your mom how much you appreciate them, the mother figure in your life, how much you appreciate them, grandmother, so on and so forth. Just let them know that you love them very much. Especially now, guys, these are things that we should not take for granted. So make sure that you seize the day and take advantage of every opportunity you have. On Tuesday, the governor announced that as of 5 o'clock today, we're going to be moving into what he considers Phase 1. And so I've attached a link there that kind of talks about what Phase 1 looks like. And so I'll encourage you guys to click on that link so that you can see exactly what all Phase 1 entails. And also, there's some information down at the bottom of that link, that web page, that kind of explains what Phase 2 and what Phase 3 looks like and the time frame for getting to those different phases. It is now official. It's come out from the state that we have no end-of-year testing this year, so I know you guys are excited about that. And so, again, you will have no NCFEs and no EOCs. Those of you who do have AP tests, those are still taking place, so make sure that you continue to study for your AP test, those of you with AP classes. But as far as NCFEs or EOCs, those have been waived. Instruction for each of your classes will end on Friday, May 22nd. So make sure that you're continuing to work in your classes until that point, but teachers will be cutting off instruction on May 22nd. The last week of school we will be using to collect Chromebooks and Hotspots from you guys, and I'll be touching on that here in just a few minutes. As far as the grading options that you're choosing for each one of your classes, I'll be sending more information out about that probably next week so that you can start letting us know which grading option you're going to use for each of your classes. So as I mentioned, Chromebook and Hotspot turn-ins will be during that last week for freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. Seniors, I've already sent you your link for Sign Up Genius, so make sure that you have signed up for a time on May 21st or 22nd if you've not already done so. Please email me if you need that link again, and those of you who have not signed up, I'll probably be touching bases with you guys individually in the upcoming week. Freshmen, sophomore, and juniors, later on this evening I will be emailing your link for Sign Up Genius to sign up for your time. Sophomores, your day is Tuesday, May 26th. Freshmen is Wednesday, May 27th. And then juniors is Thursday, May 28th. Yearbooks are here, and whenever you turn in your Chromebook on your assigned day, you may pick up your Chromebook. We do have extra yearbooks available for $50, and that will be on a first-come, first-served basis. So if that is something that you're interested in, as if you did not purchase one online when that time frame was around and you're wanting to purchase one now, again, it is $50. And so if you wanting me to hold one out for you, again, it's going to be on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you want to email me, I will keep a list, and whoever contacts me first will have first dibs on those yearbooks at $50 a piece, or any additional books that we have available. Whenever you turn in your Chromebook, you can grab one then. As always, guys, This has been tough on us as a staff, as I know it's been tough on you guys. We miss y'all terribly. We think about you all the time. Every time we get together as a staff, through Zoom meetings and those type of things, the first thing we talk about are you guys. The last thing we talk about are you guys, and everything in between are about you guys. So know that we miss you. We love you very much. If there's ever anything we can do for you guys, please don't hesitate to reach out. It can be academically based. It can be personal. Whatever you need, we're here for you. So please make sure that you use us as a resource. Even if you just need to talk, guys, all of us are available for that. But do stay safe. Again, we love you. And take care and have a great Mother's Day weekend.